Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm just introducing my new bike. It's a 2011 Yamaha fz8 with a few mods done. Got an aftermarket shorty carbon fiber exhaust, uh, rear integrated tail light, fender eliminator, LEDs on the bottom of the bike. I got a carbon fiber front mud guard fender. I have gold clutch and brake levers, gold mirrors, red hand grips, and I have gold and red keyless gas cap. Have a black low bend handlebar. And that's about it. I really didn't do too much to the bike. But it's a real nice bike. My other bike that I did have, well, I had a few bikes, and my other one was a Yamaha fz8 2012. I got that up on YouTube too, the white one. And this one here moves though. This one, you just give a little twist on that throttle and this bad boy is moving. Has a lot more power than the fz8. It's a really nice bike though. And you know, just a few little touch-ups here and there. Alright, and oh yeah, let me let you guys hear the exhaust real quick.